Welcome back for another visit. This is your retired again girlfriend from Mississippi, and it is December 24th. Hard to believe, Christmas Eve. So I'm at home. We're going to have our Christmas Eve service at church this afternoon at 4 o'clock. So we'll have a candlelight communion service. And then tomorrow will be Christmas Day. So welcome back, and this is mine and Maisie's Christmas card to you, wishing you a very, very Merry Christmas and remembering the season and why we celebrate this season. For unto us is born this day a Savior, who is Christ the Lord. So Happy New Year. We're looking forward to what 2025 is going to bring, and we're just expecting and praying and hoping for a happy, prosperous new year for everyone. And I hope you enjoy our little Merry Christmas visual card from me and from Maisie from Mississippi. Merry Christmas.